Yo, chat, what's going on? It's been a while. It's been quite a while since when. Let's check. It's been since 3 weeks ago since my last recap. Yo, guys. Basically. Oh wait, hold on. This is kind of bad. 3 weeks ago. This is recap number 35.
Hello?
Lokey slacking on my recaps.
Alright. Yeah.
So.
Okay, per day. But I am confident I will make money tomorrow. We'll see, honestly.
Okay, anyways, let's forget about this. We're starting off fresh. I think. Alright. So this was my last recap. I lost all this. The only account I have left is this account, right? Right here. Discount. So we can go here. I'm at 5.3, and then we can see like it's kind of bad. But then okay, ready? This looks bad. A whole lot of red, bro. Last week, all red days. This week, almost all red days, right? But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, this is the end of the month, right? So, what I really reflected on is like all of these trades that I've lost on were not even from NQ. They're from trading silver, by the way. In the max daily loss limit's 1,000. So silver is gonna take me out unless if I like every one of these days right here, right? I all traded silver. Every single one of their bias was correct. It's just that my stop loss was too small and I got stopped out way too soon. But I realized that and I was like, alright, come to the realization I'm broke as hell. I have like $0 in my bank account. I'd rather get a payout than build this buffer for now. My buffer's at 3K right now, right here in my balance. So I am saying like right now I'm just targeting for the 5 winning days. I already have 1, 2 right here. Alright. 2 winning days right here. And then I'll show you the trade recap for today and what I was thinking. This was an Asian session trade, by the way, I'm pretty sure. Alright, 5-minute on. I'm so done with silver. I think I won't be going back to silver until this buffer is at least like 15K. Then I'll start trading silver again. See if I could even handle those losses, right? But what my trade was 1800 open, right? Right here. Line. See 1800 open, right? We see 1800 open. We just go down to 1 minute, right? I take the 1800 open. We see we sweep that high of the 1800, right? We felt this for value gap right here. Alright, we felt this gap. I was like, okay, we're probably gonna continue lower. I see it on 5 minutes. I was like, there's an unfilled 5 minute down below. I would like to see inverse, right? And I think there's also SMT. No, there isn't. Is there SMT this one? Oh yeah. No, that's 10. There's no SMT, but you get the gist, right? It fills that gap right there. I wait for this 5 minute here to get inversed, right? 5 minutes gets inversed right here. So what is this? So this is 5 minute get inversed. I entered right around here. My target was 15 points. Stuck $300, like 15 points. And I was going for just like a calm 1, 2, 1 right here. Easy 15 points in a few seconds. Right here. Enter 50 points in a few seconds. Realistically, my trade probably would have looked like above this fair value gap, and I would have targeted like this low right here. Would realistically been my trade, right? but was not. I just need 15 points, $300. I've been just locking myself out. Once I get 300, like 200 to 300, try to target less each day, trying to just build that buffer and get that payout. Honestly, no, just get that payout. Once I get the payout, I'm gonna build a buffer because I do need money in my bank. But otherwise, yeah, not bad. Alright, next count. I don't know what I'm fucking doing. My funded futures. I passed the eval. I'm on a wrong thing. I've been trading deviation levels on this account. I mean, I've been trading discretionary. Deviation levels are kind of my thing now. Oh yeah, today was free. These are all paper trades, by the way. But alright, anyways, these are all paper trades, but I'll go over them later. But I did want to say right here, right? Remember I got the 1800, right? We see we had -2 right here. This -2 level, -2.5. My entry was looking at the -2.5, right? That was my deviation level right here, -2.5, and this 5-minute fair value gap paired together. I was like, alright, it had the 5-minute fair value gap. There was another unfilled 5-minute fair value gap right above here. Like you see this deviation level. Now I might be asking, why not this right here, right? Because this wouldn't have been bad. This wouldn't have been that bad. Why did I do this or why didn't I do the CE? Because I checked my phone too late. And there was no reaction. But this one, they had a lokey like Loki was not about to catch this trade, right? So this trade, right? Waiting for the green candle close here, right? What's up waiting for the green candle close? I saw it come back down. I entered at directly at the level, so this is a limit order. Had 50 points because I only needed 1K, and I'm targeting 1K each day. I'm not really trying to go for more. I mean, I might go for 2K some days, depending. But NQ Asian session hasn't been that bad. I've seen New York Asian, in New York AM, it's been price action's been kind of choppy. But anyways, but this is a pretty good trade. Absolutely zero drawdown on this. 50.3.3 R, not bad. But yeah, one second. I have to take a phone call. Hello? Yeah.
What is your birthday?
December 31st, 1974.
For Lee?
Yes.
Amoxicillin?
Yes.
Antibiotic? Yes. So we are getting ready right now. We'll be ready by 7.
Are you ready at 7? Alright. Thank you. Bye-bye. Anyways, that was for my dad's medicine, but we can go to New York, right? Alright. So see New York open. New York sweeps out pre-market high right here. As y'all couldn't see. New York sweeps out pre-market high. Sub my buys is pretty bearish. But you can see we have an inversion right here. This is not clean. I would never take anything like this. We have an inversion right here. This was 930. This was a clean inversion entry off here. I would have went BE got in the middle point, right? Break even on this trade. Would have re-entried off the fair value gap because you see here, alright? We inverse this gap right here, right? Tap into this order block, which I don't really care about fucking order blocks anymore, right? And see, 10.5, stop loss above this right here. Realistically, safer option above this high, whereas risking too much. Target is low, 77 points, free as fuck. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, it sweeps that low right there, and then comes back up, forms SMT, and it's like, alright, forms SMT, yeah, swept that high. Okay, we have to go down lower. I'm not looking for too low, but I'm looking for this low right here that it formed, right? Because there are equal lows right here and right here, equal lows, right? It's like, okay, we're gonna come down to this equal low. We take that equal low out. Could just reverse your position, take it to the side. We form a second SMT at this high, right? Inverse this gap. Wait for the inversion. Fucking target this low again, bro. Easy, freezy as day. And not gonna lie, I've never taken really -2 levels, but I've taken CE. So we just like, bro. I get what? Fucking 100 points? Like, you don't even need this many points, bro. You only need like 100. Be realistic here. Like, what the fuck? Like, Sergey just says OP. It's a calm training strategy and everything. Not bad. But yeah, that's it. I hope I don't crash out and stop making journaling videos. But yeah.